Hey guys, so I've been doing these HelloFresh meals, which I'm really happy with, but we always seem to get a lot of really small potatoes in the orders, which I really hate to peel. So I was looking on Amazon and I found this Starfit Potato Express electric peeler. It was $30 and it was worth every penny. I'm really happy with it. I just want to show you guys how easy this is. So this has a lever right here, and I like to push the top in first, and then you can just kind of crunch it down here. This lever right here moves, so I just kind of started at the very top, and then there's a red button in the back, and you just press it and it'll peel it. So that one came out really good, but sometimes when there's like deep marks in them, you do need to go a second run, and you can just leave it there, rise the lever up, and let it do a second run. The other thing is, I noticed on the side of the box that it works for, you can make curly fries with it. It'll do kiwis, it zests lemons, and so I'm extremely happy with this item, so I just wanted to share it with you guys. I'll put the link in the description below, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.